Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jan again, and we have a very special unboxing to do today, guys. My first ever Ecuagenera order have finally arrived this morning, and I can't wait to unbox it with you guys. So let's do this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jan again, and I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are in the world. If you're new here, welcome. Here we do planty things. So if that interests you, consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell button so that you're updated with my latest videos. So guys, I finally took the plunge. In last end of January, I finally made my first order with Ecuagenera. So they're a family business specializing in production of orchids, aroids, tropical plants, and hybrids from Ecuador. And yes, this is the box that I've been waiting for almost 3 months now. And yeah, I can't wait to unbox it with you. So let's open this. So like what I mentioned earlier, this is my first international order from Ecuagenera. So most of the time I buy my plants from around UK or within UK, and maybe from EU. Not maybe, I've ordered from EU, and that's it. So let me show you this way so that you can see how the plants will look like. And let me on this side. So I've been communicating with them since January, and the customer service is really good, highly recommended. I've been talking with Carla and Ronald, and yes, they're very efficient. They reply immediately to my emails and inquiries. So yes, this is their box, and they have the styrofoam here to protect the plants because technically it's still winter here in the UK. Probably is going to be spring soon. The weather is getting better, and yes, it's very well packed. The packaging is good. So they have this thin styro here, and yes, this is it, guys. So these are my packing list. So let me put it here. And let me check it first. Okay, I've ordered 5 plants from them. So I've ordered 1 Anthurium and 3 Philodendrons. Alright. So let me show it to you and take it out from the box. So this is how their packaging looks like, and let me take it one by one. The water or the paper feels cold, so it had been traveling for a while. I don't know when they have dispatched this, but yes. So let me do it one at a time. So the first plant that I've ordered is the Anthurium waterquinum, or the Queen Anthurium. So this is it, guys. And let me open this. So this is how it looks like, guys, inside the box. And they have attached a label for each plant to remind us what's the plant name is and what we're unboxing and what we're opening. So there you go. Alright guys, the first plant that we're going to open is the Anthurium warquinum. So this is the name of the plant and this is how the packaging looks like, and hopefully the plant is okay, and I'm nervous and excited at the same time on how it's going to look like. Oh my god guys, you can see it already. So let me take it out from the packaging and go and open it a little bit. Just put it out. So this is my first warquinum guys, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. So there you go, look at it guys. Show it to you properly. It's gorgeous, I love it. And then there's cataphyll here, or there's a new growth here, and yes, it's so beautiful. And they wrap it in sphagnum moss to protect the roots. So I'm going to show you how the roots look like later. Let me just unbox it one by one. So this is the Anthurium warquinum, or the Queen Anthurium. So I'm a bit worried about ordering it before, because I've heard that it needs high humidity, and now that I have the Milsbo cabinet, I think I can provide it hopefully, and it will thrive here in the house. But yes, it needs to be acclimatized first before being mixed with the other plants. So we have to wash it and then soak it in water for at least 24 hours so that the roots will get hydrated. So there you go. Alright guys, so here's our Queen Anthurium, or the Queen warquinum, and this is how it looks like. So let me put it on the sides for the moment so that we can open the other plants. And the next one is this long one. So this is Philodendron hybrido or the Philodendron SP Colombia. So this is the name, and this is how long the parcel looks like, or the packet looks like. And let me just open it. So I can see the leaves already. There's, I don't know if this is how it's supposed to look like, but I can see that there's some kind of like yellowing already on the leaves. So there are two leaves. So let me open it completely. Oh, there are more. There are more leaves inside. So gorgeous this new leaf, guys, is. It's like it's almost white. And yeah, it's almost similar with the Philodendron Dean McDowell. So there's a pillowy leaf as well. So yeah, it's gorgeous. But yeah, hopefully this yellowing is how it really looks like, and it's not dying. But after the long travel, I hope this plant will survive. So look at how gorgeous the leaf of this plant, guys. So this is Philodendron SP Columbia or Philodendron hybrido. And look at this gorgeous new leaf. And let me just put it on the side again. It wouldn't get damaged. And then we'll move on to the next plant. And this one is the Philodendron Linamii. And this is how it looks like. I mean, this is the name. So let me just show you. It's Philodendron Linamii. And this is how long the packaging is. Let me open this. So, Philodendron Linamii is a beautiful plant with the newest leaf always comes out like red. I think it's like blood red, and it's beautiful. And look at these, guys. So this is how it looks like. And this is how the back of the leaf looks like. So there's like blood red on the petiole that's connecting to the leaf. And it's gorgeous. And this is the cataphil. And look at this, guys. So once it opens and it becomes a new leaf, it's going to be the same color as this. But yeah, I haven't seen it in person yet, so I'm just going to show you when it finally opens. So this one have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves. So this is the Philodendron Linamii. And let me put it here on the side again. I don't want to damage my new plants. So far, everything looks good. And these last two are the same plant. It's the Amazon Sunset or the Philodendron verrucosum Amazon Sunset. And let me just show you. So this is the label. So it doesn't come with the stick where you can put on your pot. It just have the name. And then let me just open the paper packaging. guys, I've been wanting this plant for a long time. I wanted to buy it for a long time. It's quite expensive here in the UK. So, yes, there you go. And this is it. Just put that over here. There are many cottons at the back, so packaging cottons here. And yes guys, look at how gorgeous the back of the leaves are. Like they're all sticking around here. So I think it's because of the fuzzy or the hairy petiole of the Philodendron verrucosum Amazon sunset. Alright, so I'll take it off later, but I'll show you how it looks like. Look at how gorgeous the back of the leaves are, guys. So it's like blood red. That's why it's called Amazon sunset. And look at the hairy petiole. So it's known for Philodendron verrucosum. And yes, it have 3 leaves and 1 cataphil here. So it's so gorgeous. I love it. It's gorgeous. Finally, I have it. And let me put it here on the side with the others. And the last one is like what I mentioned earlier. It's another Philodendron verrucosum Amazon sunset. So let me remove it from the packaging. Going to do it. Oh my god. These one have bigger leaves. Okay. This one, I think the newest leaf is just hardening because the color doesn't look the same. So let me see how this plant is going to survive. So these have some yellowing on the bottom of the leaf. You can see there. And then yeah, this last one, so as you can see there guys, there's a tear. So there's a mechanical damage or cosmetic damage on the plant or on the leaf, and the color is not the same. So I'm thinking maybe it's the newest leaf and it's just hardening. That's why it looks like this. But yeah, I think there's some kind of like cold damage that happened as well. So oh no, the cataphil feels soft, or hopefully it's just this covering here. So this one is a bit okay. So I'll show it to you more later when I inspect the plant. And yes, so this is less beautiful than the other one, but hopefully both of them, all of them are going to survive. So yes, so these are the plants that I got from Ecuagenera. So let me just put them on the table, all of them first, and I'll show each one one by one so that you can see it properly. So here is the Anthurium warquenum. So the leaves are not as long as the others, but still I'm happy. The leaves look healthy. And look at how long these leaves, guys. This one is like there's just a mechanical damage there or cosmetic damage because it had been folded, but so far I like it. It looks good. And then there's a cataphil there, so I haven't opened it yet. I mean the sphagnum moss to see the roots. Right guys, so let's remove the moss from the plant or from the roots. Let's open this plastic here. So this is how the roots look like. So there, this one, the roots have been broken here, so we're going to remove this later. So I have to wash the plants first, the leaves and the roots, and see how much healthy roots we have in our plants. Okay, so I need like a big bucket where I can wash it. So here is the Philodendron SP Columbia, and look at how gorgeous it look in the video. It's like you can see the pillowy leaf and the transition of colors. It's like from looks bluish to green, or it's dark green to lighter green. And this is the other leaf. The other leaf looks more yellowy than the other one. And this is how the back looks like. So it's like, it's similar to Philodendron din McDowell. And then here's the newest leaf. It's pinkish, light green. It's almost white. And this is how it looks like from the back. Alright guys, so the next one that we're going to remove the sphagnum moss is this Philodendron SP Columbia. Let me just there, this plastic. I don't want to damage the gift. Alright, so this is the roots. These are the roots, and yeah, so I have to wash off the other sphagnum moss and see like the other the Anthurium horquinum, and see how many healthy roots are there and the roots that we need to cut off. So this is how the roots looks like. So here's the Philodendron Linamii, and so far the leaves look healthy. It looks good. It traveled well. This one, there's a bit of yellowing. That is fine. And it have a red petiole. And look at how gorgeous this back of the leaf looks like. The petiole that's connecting to the leaves is maroon colored or blood red. And I'll show you the cataphyll, how the cataphyll looks like. And there you go. So like what I mentioned earlier, the new leaf is going to be blood red in color, and it's going to be gorgeous. So the thing, guys, when you just import a plant, when it arrives, it always looks beautiful, or most of the time it looks beautiful, and then you'll see how the plant will progress after a few days. So here's the Philodendron Linamii. Let me remove the plastic from the sphagnum moss and from the roots. So this is how the roots looks like. And this is the first Philodendron verrucosum Amazon sunset. So this is gorgeous. This leaf is yellowing, so I don't know if I'm going to cut it off or just leave it. And then look at how gorgeous the back of the leaves are, guys. It's blood red and so gorgeous. And look at this cataphyll and the hairy petiole, where the Philodendron verrucosum is known for. And here's the first Philodendron verrucosum Amazon sunset. This one have darker roots, so I don't know, doesn't look too good. Maybe when I wash it, it will look healthier. So it looks brown. Yes, the second Philodendron verrucosum Amazon sunset. So like what I mentioned earlier, there's yellowing on the bottom of the leaf of this one. So this one doesn't look like it traveled that well. So this one looks like the newest leaf. It haven't hardened properly yet. The leaf looks soft and the color haven't turned green properly yet. And then there's cosmetic damage. Look at the back of the leaves, guys. Isn't it gorgeous? This is gorgeous. So I'm hoping that this one will survive. And there you go. Here's the second Philodendron Amazon sunset. So, Philodendron verrucosum Amazon sunset. And this is how the roots look like. It's brown as well. So maybe it's just the normal appearance of the Amazon sunset's roots, but I'm going to wash it and see how many healthy roots we have here. Alright guys, so we finally removed all the plants from their packaging, and yeah, so far I'm happy with how the plants look like, except for this one. It doesn't look too good, and hopefully it will survive. So that's the risk of importing plants from another country, especially from a far country like Ecuador, because the plants have to travel. The plant is going to be stressed out traveling. Then it needs to adjust to each individual buyer's houses. It depends on what's the environment on their house, like the temperature, the humidity. So remember guys, these plants is from a tropical country. So, and then now it's here in the UK, where our weather most of the time is cold and gloomy. And yes, I'm hoping, I have high hopes for these plants that they're going to survive. But I've heard some stories that they said that the plants that they've ordered have turned into chunks. So which means the plant, the leaves have died, and it's only that that stem survive, and they have to like restart from the beginning for the plant to have a new growth and everything. But yes, so I don't know yet what's going to happen with my imports, because this is my first import. But I'm crossing my fingers and praying that they're going to survive. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'll see you again soon in my next video. Happy gardening!